Hi guys, it's Pixie and welcome back to Little Kelly and Friends Toy Channel. Today is Easter. Happy Easter! We are going to be opening up so many Kinder Surprise eggs. Oh my goodness, you guys, we have so many to open. We're going to start off with the little Kinder Surprise from Frozen and also Marvel. Then we have the medium-sized ones. We have My Little Pony and Transformers. And then we have the humongous ones in the back. We have Barbie and Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. How cool, guys. I am so excited to open these up. Let's get opening. So guys, let's start opening up our Easter eggs. So we have the Kinder Surprise Disney Frozen up first. Here's the front of the box and the back. And there's 3 eggs in total, and these are the different characters or figures we could get. Let's open up and see. Oh, so there they are. So they're kind of like a little pink hue at the top. Kinder Surprise. Let's open up. Oh, this isn't a frozen egg. This is just a different toy. Oh my goodness, you guys. I thought these were Disney Frozen eggs. Plus other Kinder Surprise toys. Oh, guys. There's other toys in here, bar Disney Frozen. So maybe we'll be lucky in the other 2 eggs and get a Frozen character. Let's have a look. Yay! We got a Disney Frozen character. Phew! These are all the guys inside. So guys, we got Sven from Disney Frozen. How awesome is he? He's so cute. Yay! And here is our last egg. Oh no, guys. We got a skateboard. That's not Disney Frozen. Oh well, so we got 1 out of 3. Let's open the rest. So let's open up the Marvel surprise eggs. But there is a chance there are other toys inside other than the Marvel characters. But hopefully we'll get something. Let's open up. So these are blue. So the other ones for Frozen were pink and the Marvel ones are blue. We got Spider-Man! How awesome! Cool, guys. Spider-Man. Does his head open? It does. Well, his body moves too. So we got Spider-Man. Let's see what's in this one. Oh, guys, it's another skateboard. Okay, our last little egg. Let's hope we'll get another Marvel character. No, you guys. I don't know what this is. It's like a stamp or something. Yeah, it's a stamp. It's not a Marvel character. So unfortunately we only got one Frozen character and one Marvel character out of the small Kinder Surprise eggs. But we definitely know what's in these ones. So let's open up the Transformer Robots in Disguise. So definitely we'll get a surprise inside Transformer, hopefully. And this is a big one. Oh, cool. Look at this guy. I think it's Bumblebee. Let me check. This is a Transformers like bracelet. And then there is this that goes in there. Oh yeah, and you can shoot down the little piece of card with this on your wrist. So there you have it, guys. There is Bumblebee from our Transformers Kinder Surprise egg. He's just a figurine, he doesn't do anything, he can't move. His wings at the back detach, and that's about all he does. But then it came with a bracelet that you can wear and shoot down a little target. Now let's open My Little Pony. So My Little Pony, there is either a My Little Pony inside or a My Little Pony equestrian girl. They're cute. So let's see what we got. And there is the egg there. We got an equestrian girl. This is who we got. I will check and see her name now, 1 second. So there you have it, guys. There is our equestrian girl, Twilight Sparkle, and she has lovely purple lavender hair, and it also comes with a brush so you can comb her hair, and this is also a stand so she can stand upright in the comb. How awesome is that? And that's Twilight Sparkle with her pretty hair. Okay guys, so let's open up the humongous ones. We're gonna start off with the turtle one, I think. Oops. Our Barbie fell down. Oh, she's fallen. No, she's there. Oh my goodness, how big is this egg? Oh, cool. Oh cool, this is like a really big turtle. And it's the purple turtle. I'm not 100% sure what his name is, but I will find out. So we have Donatello is our turtle. And he is doing an action kick. He is cool, so cool. He also has this stick thing. He definitely has some awesome turtle power. That's Donatello. It also comes with this little game that you can shoot them, shoot stuff out of. So that's pretty cool. And there's one of the targets you can shoot. And a sticker. And now finally our last one, our Barbie Kinder Maxi Surprise. This egg isn't breaking very easily. Oops. So much chocolate, guys. I'm gonna be so full of chocolate later. So yummy. Oh. And here's Barbie. So cool. Barbie with her lovely blonde hair and her green dress and lovely necklace and hat and her pink strappy shoes. They are gorgeous. How pretty is Barbie? She also comes with a comb for her hair, and also, like the pony, My Little Pony, she also can use this as a stand. Just like that. And then we have some stickers that I think we can put inside of her little case here. Her Barbie case. Let's do that. That's so cool. So it has a mirror and her little wardrobe or dresser, and then a handle. So you can put in some secret little things in here to have. So that is Barbie and our lovely little case. 3, 2, 1, recording. So there you have it, guys. There are all our cool, awesome figures that we opened today from our Kinder Egg surprises. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you have a very happy Easter. Don't eat too much chocolate because you might have a sore tummy afterwards. And I'll see you again soon.